This is where we're going, upper to Med Lake. And it's 1.3 miles. The rest of the group is going back there. We got our 2 guides here. Plus we got 3 of us from the group that are going to do this trail here. So we're onward and upward. All right, we stopped along the trail here for a little water break. We see some mountains up there. You can see them pretty good today. There's not as much smoke. You see hills up there. See them through the trees. And we're still heading down to the lake here. So we're going to head down this trail. All right.
I know that's hard sometimes to appreciate the mountains.
Taking in a view of the meadow here. There's beautiful meadow. There's the trail goes up there. You can see some people up there. So that's where we're going. All right. Well, we're almost to the lake. Make another little rest stop here. You can see it's an open area, so the lake's got to be up there somewhere. We're still on the trail. We're not far. Not far. Maybe a little downhill coming up here. We shall see. It's definitely in sight. It's right out there, so we can't be too far. Hopefully we're going to go down to the water's edge here, I'm sure. So a little clearer today. Still a little smoky up there, but not as bad as yesterday, that's for sure. We still got to go on the trail down there yet. All right. The actual lake, the one back there, was just a pond. So this is it. We finally made it here. We just had lunch. Oh, I just saw a little chipmunk or squirrel go underneath of there. He's around there somewhere. Ah, it feels so cool here. There's people down there having their lunches and whatnot, sitting down enjoying the water. And look how clear it is. You can see the rocks through it. All these red rocks, a lot of red ones in the water, which are the same as the ones here. They don't look quite as red until they're wet. Then they have this brownish red color. But here it is, the wind must come this way and push all the logs that are floating up on the shore here, which probably makes good hiding places for chipmunks and other animals here. A lot of good dried wood here for campfires, but I don't think you're allowed to do that here. We got enough fires going as it is. Smoke not too bad today. And another little trail up there. We're going to make some filtered water because my water bottle is empty. I drank all my water on the way down, so I'm going to need some water to go on the way back here. All right, good enough. We're going to get the water filtration bag filled up. Matt's going to do it right here from the lake, and then we're going to drink that water. So, I don't want to mess up here.
Take a picture. I'm going to go over there. A little bit.
So it's just going to take that bag with the filter in it and just get it full of water. Rinse it out a little bit. Shake it up. Just let that fill up there. Get some more in there.
No, actually, I gotta go out a little bit.
Oh, really?
Off, yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, you're getting a little sediment there?
Yeah, I'm getting a lot of sediment in there.
All right. I didn't mean to put you through a lot of stuff, but like I said, my bottle's empty here, so.
Oh no, I need some water too. So
okay, good. Now he needs to get some water. It doesn't have too much sediment in it, so he took his shoes and socks off. And Matt's going out there, get some clear water in the bag. There you go, getting some nice water there. Okay, now he's got it. Now we got good water in there. Back, and there's that pond down there as we're coming back from that way, going back to the boat launch. And there's more people on the trail down there coming up. So I just want to get a picture of this pond that we passed. So it's looking pretty good, nice and quiet. We need a loon down there on the water. That's what we need to make this ideal. But all right, back on the trail, picking them up, putting them down, picking them up, putting them down. Okay, here we go. Whoa, watch where I'm going. Can't film and walk at the same time here. Trail going back, you see a guy way up there on the trail. These are our folks. Gotta watch the little step here. And we still got open area down there. Might get a little thunderstorm this afternoon. I kind of doubt it, but there's a chance here. Almost back to the boat dock. I'm out in front here. It was just pretty level. I had my sandwich. I'm kind of perky. Got some energy here. Had lots of water. A little bit hotter back here. And we want to keep moving because all the bugs and flies and stuff here. So as soon as we stand around, take a break, it gets buggy. So keep moving, and it's not as buggy then. But better keep my eyes on the trail here. Okay. Getting close to the boat landing, which is right over there. So give it time to rest and wait for the boat, get a nice cool ride back to the other shore. Alrighty. We're going on the boat here.
Are you guys one ways or are you guys
Oh no, the door's me. That's fine. Yeah.
Alright, we're all going on the boat. Stepping over, watching my step here. I'm with them, Natural Habitat.
Hello, hello,
Hello, hello, hello. Okay. We're gonna grab some good seats here on the boat. Everybody's here. Alright, I'm gonna get the catbird seat back here. We're back on the boat, going back to the shore. We're back in here.